Copy 30 out for KMOV. Oh, that one's good. They've got a person in it. Head that way. Hey, Pavel, we're not going to be at 16th and Madison. We're going to be a little bit. We're going to be a little bit to the east. Got a looks like a taxi driver on the hood of his car. Looks like he's Instagramming or Facebook Living. Beautiful. Okay. No, you're fine. I think it was just a bump for them. I didn't know I was on for. Copy, top of the 630. Copy that. Live on Facebook on KMOV. This guy's MKSDK. Were you wanting the multiple stranded cars or just this guy stranded on top of his car? Cool. Hey, Mom, I'm on TV. Channel 4 does. Channel 5 has not had him yet. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we'll be here.